The letter E in Shona sounds like the phonetic E in English. It sounds like E. E. Ehe. E. Ehunde. E. Ekaniwaro. E. Eke. E. Indirano. E. Enga enga. E. Evoni. E. Eomai. E. Why not turbocharge your Shona learning goals? Do you want to become conversant in Shona in just 30 days? The Ultimate Shona Learning Pack on Thinkific by Sarura Kids will help you with your Shona learning goals. Start from no knowledge at all, practice at least 5 times a day with us, and we guarantee to have you better than conversant in just 30 days. Search for us on your search engine today.